Hi everyone, I'm a CK teacher. Welcome to CK English. Do you know what special day is coming up? It's Easter. Easter is a fun holiday with eggs, games, and flowers. Let's learn some Easter words together. On Easter, people celebrate with fun activities. We decorate eggs with bright colors, look for colorful eggs in an egg hunt, and roll eggs in a game called egg rolling. You can also see beautiful white flowers called Easter lilies. Let's learn some Easter words together. Easter, Easter. Egg hunt, egg hunt. Egg rolling, egg rolling. Egg decorating, egg decorating. Easter lily, Easter lily. Now, let's practice. Can you say these words with me? Easter, egg hunt, egg rolling, egg decorating, Easter lily. Great job! What's your favorite Easter activity? Tell your CK teacher. Happy Easter from all of us at CK. See you next time. Bye!